If you're looking for a quick, delicious, high-protein breakfast that makes meal prep for the week an absolute breeze, you're in the right place. Today, we're whipping up a massive high-protein egg-baked casserole. Here's what you need. Be sure to check out the video description box for the exact quantities and step-by-step instructions. First, we're measuring out our liquids and bases. We've got 2 cups of whole milk, followed by 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese. Cheddar or a Mexican blend works great here. Next up, the protein powerhouse. 2 8-ounce packages of fully cooked diced ham for a total of 16 ounces. Then comes the potatoes O'Brien. These are the massive time saver because they come pre-diced with onions and bell peppers added. Now let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Now, in a large glass bowl, we're cracking 8 large eggs. While I crack these, let's talk about why this dish is such a game changer. If you're trying to hit a fitness goal, lose weight, or just stay full until lunch, prioritizing protein at breakfast is key. Eggs give you a high-quality protein and essential choline, while the ham drives up the total protein content. This whole dish breaks down into easy heat-and-go portions for the entire week, saving you time, stress, and money compared to buying breakfast on the run. Let's grease our 9x13 casserole dish with a little bit of olive oil. Using extra virgin olive oil isn't just great for non-sticking, it also adds heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants to the mix. It's a great way to keep things healthy without sacrificing flavor. We're going to give those 8 eggs a thorough whisk until they are fully beaten. Give it a good mix. Next, we're going to pour in the 2 cups of milk, and then we're going to combine that all together and give that a good mix as well. Make sure everything is smooth and fully incorporated. At this point, we want to add all of our dry ingredients. First, let's fold in the 2 cups of shredded cheese. Let's give that a good mix. Make sure everything's covered in liquid. Next, we're going to go in with our ham. Get that all in there. And lastly, add our potatoes. At this time, we're going to trade out our whisk for a wooden spoon. And then you want to get in there and you want to make sure that everything gets a thorough mix. Make sure all the potatoes, ham, and veggies are completely coated with the egg mixture. Now another thing, little tip, is you can make this differently. You can put all your vegetables and cheese in your greased 9x13 dish and then pour your eggs on top of that. I just kind of do it in an old-fashioned way. We just mix everything together and make sure everything is coated. At this point, we just pour it all into our 9x13 casserole dish. Take our wooden spoon, flatten everything down, just again, making sure everything is all nice and coated. This recipe is super versatile. Swap the ham for sausage, bacon, or even toss in whatever extra veggies you have in the fridge that need using up. There. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to top it off by sprinkling a little extra cheese right over the top. This helps bind the crust and create that golden, gooey finish we all love. Now listen, feel free to be creative here. Use bacon bits, chop spring onions, sprinkle a little paprika for color. These all make fantastic additions. Like I said again, this is your dish, make it your own. What you like, you can incorporate into this dish. Now to finish the preparation, let's cover this dish tightly with aluminum foil. This locks in moisture so to keep the eggs nice and light and fluffy. Now we want to take it over to our preheated 350 degree oven, and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes covered. There you go. Once that timer hits, Carefully remove the dish and pull off the foil, and then we're going to slide it back in the oven for an additional 30 minutes uncovered. This gives that top that delicious golden brown cheese crust and ensures the center is baked through. Now, one little tip that I have for you that I should have done myself is, this is kind of a newer stove. Halfway through that 30 minutes, like at the 15-minute mark, I should have spun the dish around 180 degrees, because you can see that the top side, or that left side there, cooked a little bit more. But rest assured, it's completely cooked through and delicious. When it comes out of the oven, resist the urge to dive straight in. Let it sit on the counter for 5 to 10 minutes. Because of residual carryover cooking, letting it rest allows eggs to set and firm up, which makes slicing clean, perfect portions so much easier. And to turn this into 10 equal meal prep servings, which is amazing, slice right down the middle lengthwise across that, or along that 13-inch line. And then you want to make 4 crosswise cuts across the top. You want to grab your spatula for the big reveal. It's amazing. It smells great. Just take a look at how well those layers of ham and potatoes with the melted cheese all hold together. Crisp on the edges, fluffy on the inside, and packed with a large amount of protein. You will absolutely love this dish. The meal prep was so easy, it took like 5 minutes to put this thing together. Absolutely spot on. Perfect flavor, amazing texture, and your breakfast for the entire week is completely set. If you enjoyed this high protein, easy recipe, then hit the like button and subscribe for more meal prep ideas that make eating well totally effortless. Don't forget to check out the links on the screen or in the description for more quick, healthy recipes to keep you fueled all week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.